Alright friends, now we will learn about how to find the length of a dictionary. If you want to know how many key value pairs are in a dictionary, you can use the len function. So the len function returns the total number of entries. Entries means each key value pair which counts as 1. Okay, we have capital. How many key value pair we have here? Are 3. So I delete for loop, and I print inside the print function. I use len function, and inside the len I give my dictionary name. What's my dictionary name? Capitals. Okay, if I run it, you'll see 3 appears on the screen. This means there are 3 key value pairs in the dictionary. Here the important thing is the number of pairs is what matters. So each one counted as a 1 element. Okay, super. Len function is simple and useful to check the size of your data. See you in the next lesson.